Hello everyone, in the last video I've shown you that the Suzuki Ignis went for some off-roading and got stuck, and in this video we have brought it here at our miniature workshop diorama for servicing and washing, so let's get started. So now the Ignis is back home after getting serviced. I hope you guys have enjoyed these two story type videos. We have also included some miniature dioramas like off-road tracks, workshop and this house. If you want to know more about these dioramas, you can click the end screen element on the right. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.